everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Kuparkar. This is my second video about our gorgeous, stunning Gadwal sarees. The sarees that I am showing today are pure silk handloom Gadwals with Kadiyal borders. Each and every saree design, butta, border is completely different. Let's start with the first set of sarees. The price range of today's sarees is 15,500 to 24,000. Now this is the first one, a very beautiful combination. We did not have this combination for a very long time except for the brocade saree. So we had grey and black only in brocades. So I'm glad I got this combination, a very beautiful grey color, and this one has golden as well as silver butta. I just want to show one thing that these kind of irregularities are very common in handloom sarees. Okay, these thread knots here and there and some thread lines, these are just irregularities that are seen especially in handloom sarees, and for colors like baby pink or grey or off-white, these irregularities are a little more visible, but these only prove that they are handloom sarees, so you can flaunt them with pride. Do not think of them as defects. So yes, this is the first one, the knit one. Very beautiful golden silver butta, beautiful border, medium sized border, and this is the lovely pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. The price of this one is 17,000, but I'll just confirm. Yeah, it is 17,000. The next one is very different. A beautiful fresh shade of green. I don't know what to call this green. It's neither parrot green nor rama green nor aqua green. This is like somewhere in between. It's a light and fresh shade of green, a beautiful one. It has golden and silver butta, a Kadiyal border without temple design, so that is something special about this border. A beautiful combination, ink blue colored border, and this is the lovely pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is a gorgeous combination. This is one of my favorite combinations, this particular shade of pink. So I had we had conducted a Saturday live session, I think, of Gadwal sarees, and I had shown this combination in checks Gadwal. It was a superb combination. Again, a very similar combination we have now. This one is a brilliant shade of pink, a nice bright ruby pink, maybe we can call this, with a black border. Again, this one is a pure Kadiyal border. It does not have temple design also. So yes, this is how the saree looks. This is the gorgeous pallu. I'm just going to come close and show you the border design once. A very beautiful border, golden and silver butta. This is the stunning saree. This is the pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is, this combination is back in stock. It's a slightly different shade of yellow than we had last time. It's not a mango yellow, it's a bright, beautiful sunshine yellow with a very beautiful border. I'm just going to come close and show you this stunning royal blue border. This saree has a very delicate butta, and just look at this. Beautiful border designs. So if you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. A very richly woven pallu. Please take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is a very interesting color. We did not have this combination again. I don't think we had this. This is for the first time I'm showing this kind of a close blue and blue combination. It's a close contrast. Now this is a bright firozi blue or a lighter blue with this beautiful teal colored border. Very stunning border. The price is, I think, 17,000. You can confirm it on WhatsApp. The saree has golden as well as silver butta. This is the gorgeous pallu. The pallu has golden and silver zari as well. A very beautiful saree. I'm sure you're going to like this, because those who watch our videos regularly will definitely find this different, new. So yes, this is the saree. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the last saree. Second last saree of this video. A brilliant parrot green with pink. This is one of the most, fastest selling and most popular combinations in pure silk sarees. Parrot green and pink is a very popular combination. It comes in all sarees, Paithani, Gadwal, Irkal, Kanchivaram. This combination you will see quite a lot, and it looks just stunning in, especially in on festive occasions. So yes, this is how the combination looks. This is the lovely border. It has golden and silver butta, and this is the lovely pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the last saree of this video. The last one, and a very exclusive combination again. Now this is a very subtle pink. It's almost like an onion pink color. Slightly brighter than that, slightly, this looks slightly more festive. It's not a dull pink. Very subtle sober pink with this beautiful grey border. A very different combination, not a typical combination. It's a hatke combination. So yes, this is the gorgeous one. I'm just going to come close and show you the butta of this saree as well. Now firstly see the border ones, and this is the stunning butta. It's not the typical flower shaped butta or peacock shaped butta. It's a very different butta motif. So this is the saree, and this is the gorgeous pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. So yes, this was our Gadwal collection. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Keep watching our videos. I'm coming up with newer and newer varieties of sarees. Also coming up with a special announcement about a collection festival on next Saturday. So stay tuned. Thank you.